Good morning. Well, this is 2 days after the storm, and we got quite a bit of damage. Now, I'm out here at the front of the house. I'm going to show you a little bit of the damage that was done. You can see a little bit out here. But our roof was, it got us a whooping for real. I'm going to get back where maybe, let's see. Our roof, you can't hardly make it out. It's not close enough. But we have a lot of shingles are torn off the house, front and back. We've already filed with the insurance because we have leaks in the house. I had about 6 trash cans sitting around catching leaks in the house. And then my beautiful, beautiful magnolia tree in the front yard was pulled over. It also landed on our neighbor's car. But the insurance is funny. They'll pay for it to be taken away, but they won't pay for it to be cut up. If they pay for it to be cut up, they don't pay for it to be taken away. Ain't that stupid? But that's what it is. So, shingles, power just came back on here at my house yesterday. So, good morning. So, we have power. Okay, now this tree, once we get it chopped up and towed away, we're trying to figure out what we're going to do in that spot. I don't know. My husband said maybe another tree, but I think we just need to put a hydrangea there, or either, what's it called? I can't think of that tree. Hibiscus. Put some hibiscus there. That would be good too. But we have shingles everywhere, if you can see. They're all throughout the yard. We have shingles in the street, on the side of the house, and everything. So when they come with the tarp, that's what I'm waiting on them to come. It was supposed to have been here. They said 8:30. That's what they told us on the phone. But yeah, when they get here, I'll pick you back up. Okay, guys, I'm out here in the back now. Let me get a broom. Okay, you know your girl is scared of spiders, and I see webs everywhere. Well, I had moved the furniture, so because of the storm, I had moved it, but the storm moved it some more. All right, it moved it from where I had it stacked. I had it stacked over here. Storm tore this up, and then this branch here missed our window by inches, an inch, and it went through our window. And then here we have all of this from this tree. All this here, this branch is broken here. We're gonna have to get those two cut. And then they tore up the umbrella that was over the barbecue pit. And yeah, that's all torn up here. Then we come to the best of the best. Look at the fence. Yeah. The gate now, we can't open the gate. It was slammed so hard with the storm. It kept opening and shutting it. Now it won't, we can't get it open. See the gate over there? So it really did us some damage. We got leaks in the house. So they're coming with the tarp today to tarp the roof. When they come, I'll show you that. But I just want you to see some of the damage that was done here at our home. Our roof is destroyed. You can see holes in our roof. They're here and they're getting started, guys. They came from Florida, y'all. Florida. I still smell dog shit. They're starting on it, guys. We're gonna have a blue roof until we get the roof's replacement because it was leaking so bad in the house. So, see the blue tarp going up. So, I'll be back when they finish. Our next step is the adjuster, and after the adjuster, the roof repair and whatever else we're getting repaired at the house. See you on the next episode.